Hey everyone, you're with Tesla Tom. Thanks for joining us on Ludicrous Feed today. Let me share with you an email with regards to Tesla's mobile servicing. Tesla mobile service is now available in Sydney, Melbourne and Brisbane. Our technicians can now meet you at your home or office and repair or maintain your vehicle when and where it is convenient for you. Combined with remote diagnostics and over-the-air updates, mobile servicing reduces your need to visit a service centre. In the rare case that your car requires a shop visit, service will be quick and seamless. Our service team is staffed entirely of Tesla employees, no third parties. Available 24/7 and 365 days a year, our service team is dedicated to making sure you get the most out of your Tesla. That's fantastic news. If you're a busy person, then they can certainly come to you, which is great. I've seen these Tesla Rangers in a few YouTube videos and online in the US, so it's good to see that it's coming to Australia as well. There was a comment on one of my videos a few months ago asking whether Tesla offered service for places outside of the city centres in the respective states. I don't know if these ranges will come out to as far as outside of the greater metropolitan region for Sydney, Melbourne and Brisbane. That's certainly something I will be asking Tesla next time I have to go into the St. Leonard's shop in Sydney. But that'll be interesting to see. That might also sway some people to buy a Tesla. If they're busy, they know that the servicing vehicles can come to them, which would be good, I think, if you're time pressured and can't get yourself to a Tesla store to get your car serviced or repaired. Alright guys, I hope you found that useful. Leave a comment below if you think that would be helpful in your decision to buy a Tesla. Tell me if that would be helpful if you already have a Tesla and you would help to have someone come out to you, to your workplace or your home to repair your car as needed, instead of you having to go out to a store or repair centre. Alright guys, well thank you for watching. I hope you have a lovely day wherever you are in this world, and as always, happy charging. Thanks for watching, and thanks for being part of the energy revolution. If you haven't done so already, be sure to hit subscribe to keep up to date with our latest videos. If you're about to buy a Tesla, use our promo code to score $100 in supercharging credit. Happy charging!